Well, good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. This is Curtis Hyde with Colorado Computer Support. Last week for our tech tip, we talked about what were the most common trends in email phishing for this year. So this week, we got a lot of great feedback from that. So for this week, we're going to be talking about the most common subject lines that were related to phishing in 2020. So as always, I appreciate you joining me for this week's Tuesday Tech Tip. I'm Curtis Hyde. I'm with Colorado Computer Support. My list is a little long, so you might see me look down a couple times, so bear with me for today. But let's go ahead and let's jump into that. So most common topic starting the list is HR-related emails. These may be related to changes to rules of contact, maybe vacation changes, or a delay in end-of-year tax summaries. Hot topics when it comes to HR, and what they're trying to do is find something that is compelling or affects your job to entice you to click or interact with it. That way they can maliciously do something to your email. Next one on that is scheduled server or IT maintenance, which kind of puzzles an IT company. And the reason for that is because whenever you do any type of maintenance, IT tries to do that outside of the workday. So if you see something going on in the middle of the day when it comes to IT in an email as far as maintenance goes, just raise yourself a little red flag about that and contact your IT, because that should be happening in the after hours of your workday. Next is anyone who is sending you subject line trying to assign a task for you. Now at our jobs, of course, we always like to feel like we can go above and beyond, do something to do great or to get some recognition. So that's the reason this is a hot topic, is because hackers know that people like to go above and beyond when it comes to their job at times. Another one is whenever people send out a new email test, they may say, hey, this is a new email. Can you interact with this? And the reason why is, typically people like to be good and try and help someone. So if they receive something from a coworker that they think is a coworker or a family or friend who says, hey, this is my new email account, they're simply just trying to help, and a hacker's trying to do something unethical to them. Another big one too is someone that might send a message out inside of an office building saying, hey, your car lights are on. Click here to see the image of the car. Well, that click here is what the malicious aspect could be. So if you ever see that, do yourself a favor, get up, walk away from your desk, go check your car lights instead of trusting an email that may come through. Another big one that it increased huge this year because of all the stay-at-home orders are failed delivery services. Maybe someone's acting like they're Amazon or Kohl's or some type of department store. Maybe it's your groceries that are supposed to be delivered to your front step. And they're creating a fake email letting you know that it's not going to happen. They try and get you to interact and entice to find out when is my new delivery time. Something to keep aware is, as I'm sure that will keep happening in 2021. And then the last one that's very common is a secure document. Someone may send you a document saying, hey, click here to sign in. And just work related. Maybe we're trying to view a document that we think is related to our work, our life. So if anyone sends you a document that you have to log into that you're unaware of, delete that. Stay away from it. Just call the person that sent it to you. Make sure it is legitimate, because that is always an unusual way for someone to steal the credentials for you inside of your email. If you do have any other questions or want to learn more about email phishing, feel free to reach out to us. We're always here to help and assist. We're Colorado Computer Support. Or simply, if you're annoyed with any type of IT inside of your office, we'd love to see if we're the right fit to help you out. You can always find us at 719-439-0599 or on the web at www.coloradosupport.com. We'll hope you have a great rest of your day. We'll see you next time. Thank you so much.